everyone, I am here at Beach Club. I'm using the shipping service that I use all the time at the end of each of our vacations. This is a service that I've vlogged before when we were here in November from Caribbean Beach, where you get to take all of your souvenirs into the gift shop of the resort that you're staying at, and they will ship it to your home for a very small flat fee. And it is insured, so if anything should break, which once in a while it has, like maybe an ornament or something, you contact Disney and they will send you a new one. You send the old one back. It's very rarely happened to us, but it has. There's no way that we can send all of this and pack it up in our suitcases and send it to California. It wouldn't, first of all, it wouldn't fit, and if it did, we would go over the 50-pound weight limit at the airport. We have the lovely cast member Connie, who has the bags right now, and you give her the bag with the item in it, with the tag attached, with the receipt. You cannot have opened the item and used it or worn it, anything like that. We always make sure that when we buy our souvenirs, we leave them in the bag, tag attached, unused, with the receipt in the corner of our resort hotel room. And at the end of our trip, we bring it to the gift shop of our resort, and they do this at every gift shop of every Disney resort. You bring it there, and you just fill out a piece of paper which has your address, where it's being shipped to, and your phone number, and that's it. The lovely cast members, who are super duper helpful and very friendly, will take your packages with the receipts, match it up to the items, and get it all packaged for you. And like I said, they will package it so it is way better than you would package it. Disney does a much better job wrapping fragile things than I would ever do, which is another reason why I would use Disney rather than to try to put it into my suitcase and try to see if I could get it through without damaging it. This is a fantastic service. Always make sure to go down to the gift shop, not the front desk. The front desk does not do this service for you. It is the gift shop with your packages, and let them know that you would like to take advantage of the Disney flat fee shipping service. They will be more than happy to take care of you. I have to reiterate, we would not buy all of the things that we buy, and we buy a lot of stuff. Our house is filled with Disney merchandise. It's like Disney threw up in our house. We would not be able to buy all of this stuff. And again, let me show you. Scott just dropped off all the rest of the packages. So that is everything that we are shipping, and Connie is right now working on one of the packages. There is no way we could buy all of this, put into our suitcase, then take it back. And some of them are heavy. There's some stuff we bought here that are heavy figurines. There's no way that that would happen. It would, first of all, cost us a bundle of money, and second of all, it wouldn't work. Another option for sending your souvenirs back home as you're going through the parks and buying things at different souvenir shops is right there at the counter of each shop. You can purchase it and fill out the paperwork, and they'll send it home right there. But the difference is, every time you do that, you're paying that flat fee for shipping. So with every merchandise purchase you make at all the different stores, at the resorts, at the parks and all that, if you do it individually, you're wasting money. You need to collect all of them, keep them all with you, take them to your hotel room. We end up with a big pile in the corner of all the merchandise, and then at the end of your trip, like the day before, when you know you've bought everything you want to buy and you're not going to buy anymore, then bring all of it, like the big mound I just showed you, to the gift shop and have them do it all in one go, because it's still the same flat fee. So you're just wasting money. And we didn't know this when we first started this many years ago. At each gift shop in the parks, every time we bought anything, even if it was something small, we'd be like, ship it. We kept shipping and shipping, and then it was a cast member who told us, you know, you're better off if you just put it all together and ship it all at once. And that made sense. And thank you for the wonderful cast member whose name I don't remember because it was many years ago, who taught us that trick. So don't do that. Put it all together. You'll save yourself a ton of money. All of those packages, everything you saw, just came down to only $39.95 flat fee to ship it all the way from Florida to California. You can't beat that. And we had tons of heavy things and figurines as well. Connie, she was awesome. Wonderful Connie from Lima, Peru. Oh, yes. Fantastic cast member, and made everything seamless and fun and easy for us. Thank you, everyone. Signing off, Connie needs me, and we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching Penny on the DL, and have a magical day.